Hello people. I was downstairs since my dom has come back. I was doing some maintenance on it, and what I noticed was the chain was really dry and in really bad condition. You can see there. So I had already started cleaning it with diesel, and then I thought I'll make a small video out of it for you guys. So this is the condition of the chain. It's completely dry. I have some diesel with me that I'm using to clear off dust etc on the bike. So I do have a proper brush. Normally what people use the blue colored one, which has got a claw kind of three-way facing angle kind of, but I couldn't find it right now. I ordered it from AliExpress and I'm not sure where I kept it myself. So I'm using the old method. I'm using a toothbrush, old toothbrush. I apply this diesel with the brush and keep it for half an hour or so, and then give it a small water spray wash that will help diesel get off the bike, and clean it off with a cloth and then apply the chain lube. I plan to ride to Gujarat tomorrow, so that's the reason I've got the bike back and was doing all this maintenance stuff. I'll also be checking on the engine oil level and all. I'll try to post videos of that too. With the chain cleaning part, I'll continue in some time. So once I had the bike settled down for around an hour or two, I am now washing the chain with enough water. I don't have that good pressure. If I was at a washing center or something, I would have received nice good pressure, and that would have helped me relieve the grease, the diesel very fast. But since I don't have that, I'm using the normal oil water pressure. And you can see the chain now. It's pretty much clear of all the debris and dirt. I'll let it dry for an hour or two. Take it for a short spin of 100 meters, not more than that, at very slow speed and lower gears, just so that the water that is accumulated on the chain gets thrown out, because of which I'll be able to then lube the chain easily. The major water droplets, water accumulation seems to be off the bike. I'll now clean it with a rug, with a cloth, and then lube the chain. I don't see any or much dust or debris or dirt on the chain, so this should help me clean it off. The sprocket is now finally, sprocket and chain both are finally cleaned completely with a cloth. You can see there's no debris or any dirt out anywhere. I used a rug finally to clean off any remainings on the chain. It's completely dry now, ready for one round of lube on it. So I hope this video helps everyone or anyone who wants to lube who wants to clean the chain and does not have the right tool or the right chain cleaner, but can manage some diesel. I hardly took around 100 to 200 ml of diesel and one toothbrush, that's it. Applied it 2 to 3 times on the chain, complete chain, and left it for some time, then applied it once more so that any debris that is loosened out can fall off the chain easily. Once that was done, I washed the chain with a mild pressure, the pressure that comes in usually our buildings in societies. That was enough for cleaning that. Then I took the bike for a short spin. That is not covered in the video. Then I took the bike for a short spin, like in my society itself. I didn't go on the road, hardly 10, 20, 30 kmph within the society, to let all the debris, all the dirt, all the water, if any remaining on the chain after the wash, to fly off. Once that was done, I cleaned it with a rug, and this is how the chain looks now. Okay. I have already taken a close-up. Now this is ready to lube with whatever lube you have at home. The one that I have right now is from Aerochem. It's a pretty thick lube. Okay, I'll give a coat of it right now, like 1 or 2 coats right now, and then once I start my journey tomorrow, I'll give it another coat. So if you guys have liked the video, if you like the idea, please hit the like button. If you're watching it for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section, and I'll try to answer them in the next 24 to 48 hours. Do share the video ahead with your friends and other groups. Thank you for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.